Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike, and in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently fix the play in a Mavic freehub in a couple of easy steps. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I also have a Facebook group with people who are interested in bike repair and bike restorations. You're willing to join that group as well with the link in the description below. So let's get started. The body being used on the older style Mavic wheels is the Mavic FTS L body, and they retail for around 40 euros, which is a considerable amount of money. And to remedy this issue, I'm going to remove the Mavic freehub and replace the nylon bushing with an aluminum adapter holding a ceramic sealed bearing. And I bought this Mavic FTS upgrade kit from drivetrain.be for 49 euros and 60 cents, which included shipping to the Netherlands. So you'll obviously need to remove the cassette before you're able to access the free hub. And the free hub body is kept onto the hub with a long bolt in my case. And to be able to access the nut that's inside the hub, you'll first need to remove the skewer nut by simply pulling it out with your fingers. You can now use a large 10mm hex tool and a smaller one on the bolt to unthread it and remove it. After removing the bolt that keeps the Mavic freehub body in place, you should be able to remove it gently by pulling it off. There's a seal located on the inside of the freehub body to protect it from the outside elements. It's going to be replaced with a bearing adapter, so you don't need it anymore. Press in the pawls located on the inside of the hub to make sure it doesn't get stuck. With a flat-headed screwdriver, gently pry the nylon bushing from the freehub shell. With the help of a vise, you'll be able to press the adapter with the sealed bearing into place. This might take some going back and forth to correctly align the adapter with the sleeve of the freehub. And the adapter sticks out about 5mm at the end of the freehub sleeve. And this is supposed to be the case, so don't worry. And now it's time to reassemble the freehub. Put a little dab of ball bearing grease at the back of the inside of the freehub sleeve. And don't put any grease on the ratcheted area because you don't want the pawls to gum up and no longer engage the ratchet. I also cleaned the freehub body with the pawls and put a single drop of sewing machine oil on them before reattaching the sleeve. Press down on the two pawls or else you will not be able to move the sleeve into place. I didn't have a press which was thin enough to fit into the axle, and that's why I used the skewer with a large washer and a couple of smaller ones with a tiny nut to gently tighten the freehub shell onto the freehub inner. If the sleeve isn't pushed far enough inwards, the pawls will not engage the ratchet mechanism and you will not be able to spin the wheel when pedaling. And you'll know this is the case when you're able to spin the freehub clockwise. When the pawls correctly engage, you should hardly be able to see the bearing adapter, which should fit snugly inside the recessed area of the Mavic hub. And you can reinstall the cassette and check for play, and there shouldn't be any. And that's how you permanently remove play from a Mavic freehub. Thanks for watching.